Have you ever thought, there's got to be a better and simple way to learn organizational strategies? 5 Minutes Learning has a global and diverse collection of case studies to help management students. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our upcoming and interesting case studies. Walmart is the largest discount store in the United States. The retail store has not only successfully operated in the United States but also across the globe. The company is operating in 13 international markets. In 1989, Walmart launched one of the first major retail campaigns to sell eco-friendly products in recyclable or biodegradable packaging. Green shelf tags were used to promote these eco-friendly products. Even though it offered over 300 eco-friendly products, the company did not directly oversee the environmental standards of its suppliers. As a result, Walmart suffered negative publicity when the public discovered that their green-labeled paper towels were unrecycled paper treated with chlorine bleach. By the mid-1990s, environmental issues had slipped off the company's priority list and the green tag program had faded. Meanwhile, Walmart's reputation among consumers was also slipping. Walmart CEO, H. Lee Scott Jr. unveiled a comprehensive plan to offset this environmental impact. In an October 2005 speech broadcast, he announced that Walmart was initiating a sweeping business sustainability strategy. The idea was to reduce the company's impact on the environment through a commitment to 3 ambitious goals: 1. To be supplied 100% by renewable energy, 2. To create zero waste, and 3. To sell products that sustain our resources and the environment. They recognized that they needed to keep environmental improvement tightly coupled with business value and profitability for the strategy to succeed. This case describes Walmart's efforts to accomplish this strategy, focusing on 3 of the company's primary focus areas: seafood, electronics, and textiles. It also explores how Walmart is measuring and communicating its ideas about sustainability to its suppliers, associates, customers, and the public. In 2006, science predicted that all wild seafood species would disappear within 50 years. In the same year, Walmart's seafood business grew roughly 25%. Supply continuity is Walmart's greatest challenge. In order to maintain its supply continuity, Walmart could buy fish that is caught and processed using sustainable fishing practices in order to prevent further depletion of fish stocks. Walmart recognized that tapping into a well-defined third-party certification program would be more advantageous than defining its own standards. As a result, by partnering with the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, which manages the leading program in the field, Walmart avoided criticism that its standards were not stringent enough. Tapping into a successful program would also help the company achieve results faster than working alone. The MSC Eco label assures consumers that the fish was harvested and processed sustainably from boat to plate. The MSC hopes that consumer awareness will spur demand for more sustainable fishing practices. Walmart, on the other hand, commits to buying only from MSC-certified suppliers, giving them an incentive to become certified, which is a time-consuming and expensive process. In 2006, Walmart announced a highly ambitious goal to carry 100% MSC-certified wild-caught fish in its stores within 3 to 5 years. As Walmart is currently unable to get enough MSC-certified fish to meet its demand, this public announcement effectively represented a commitment to purchase fish from all MSC-certified fisheries. Walmart is able to select better suppliers, simplify the chain of custody, minimize paperwork, reduce transaction and transportation costs, and improve the quality of the fish it receives, as a result of increased transparency in the seafood supply chain through this certification. Unlike seafood, cotton is not in short supply. Despite this, conventional cotton farming produces millions of tons of pollution every year. On the other hand, organic cotton farming is less harmful to the environment and to farmworkers' health. Walmart generates strong sales of organic cotton baby clothes by emphasizing their softness and chemical-free nature. Walmart customers are typically unwilling to pay extra, simply because a product is better for the environment. If customers think a product is better for their own or their family's health, they're more likely to spend more on it. However, Walmart is attempting to expand its organic cotton business in order to bring prices closer to conventional cotton. Walmart's textile network partnered with the Organic Trade Association and Organic Exchange to select and uphold organic cotton certification standards. Through the use of external standards and accredited third-party organizations, Walmart can ensure that its products are organic. To become more efficient and to reduce costs, Walmart is forming ties much further upstream in its supply chain. Walmart is also cultivating closer relationships with its suppliers. Previously, textile buyers selected manufacturers on the basis of the cost and quality of their products. As a result, relationships with suppliers tended to be transactional and short-lived. Walmart employees now interact with more suppliers, more frequently, and for longer periods of time than they used to. These closer relationships are necessary to sustain initiatives like the Organic Cotton Project. Walmart is making longer-term commitments to boost supplies of organic cotton and enable more farmers to switch to organic farming. For example, rather than buying organic cotton, season by season, as it used to do in the past, the company made a 5-year commitment. The company is also helping farmers manage some of the challenges of organic farming. Walmart agreed to buy some of the organic cotton farmers' alternate crops, as part of its Food and Agriculture Sustainable Value Network. It was estimated in 2004 that 80% of electronic waste exported from the U.S. was going to developing countries, causing pollution levels thousands of times higher than those permitted in developed countries. Despite this offshoring of pollution, computers and other electronics still account for some 40% of the lead in U.S. landfills. So, Walmart is working to reduce these environmental impacts by recycling and disposing of e-waste more safely, as well as designing electronics that don't contain hazardous materials. It also aims to increase its electronics energy efficiency. Due to their sheer complexity, electronic products and the electronic supply chain are difficult to certify as hazardous material-free. When Walmart cannot ensure that all components in a product are free of hazardous materials, the company cannot promote the product as eco-friendly to consumers. Another way to reduce e-waste is to encourage consumers to recycle their electronics. However, recycling does not provide immediate benefits to consumers and instead requires additional time and effort. As a result, the Walmart's electronic team has not made much progress on recycling, because changing consumer behavior without tangible benefits is extremely difficult. Whereas in the area of increasing energy efficiency, the electronics team has had more success, largely because Walmart can easily test product performance. One organization that helped the retailer in this endeavor is the Green Electronics Council, GEC, a nonprofit organization that works with electronics manufacturers and other stakeholders to improve the environmental and social performance of electronic products. So, Walmart and GEC collaborated to focus on a relatively small, manageable set of metrics that benefit both consumers and the company. Walmart's business sustainability strategy focuses on building collaborative relationships with nonprofits, suppliers, and other external stakeholders, rather than price-based transactional interactions. Through its sustainable value networks, Walmart gains a whole system perspective that helps the retailer find profitable ways to address environmental issues such as fishery depletion, climate change, and pollution. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for receiving updates about my upcoming case study videos.